Hello my trash babies. Welcome back to my craft channel. So you've heard I hit 1000 subs, right? Here is the special video I was talking about. It's a Map If the Soul 7 unboxing video. I hope you enjoy my loves and sub and go follow my Insta at bangtanboystrashbaby while you're at it my loves. Let's start this unboxing.
So here they are in all their glory. All 4 of the albums. Look how freaking stunning they are. BTW, sorry for the weird lighting. Let's open the first one. As you can see when you first open it, there is a poster from the concept photos. And don't get me started on the CD, it's gorgeous. Here is the poster spread out, look at them, they look stunning. Even Jiminy. But to be honest, they are all very, very handsome. Inside it comes with a lot of goodies. A lyric book, which I think is very handy. It also comes with a notebook. And a random photo card from the concept, and look who I freaking got. RM. It also comes with stickers, a postcard, and so many posters. Like, let me freaking tell you how many posts are in here. JK, I'm gonna show you. Enjoy some nice tunes as I flip through theses.
Now let's close the album because don't want it to get dusty now. Onto the second album, which is just as gorgeous as the first one. I'm going to be saying that a lot in this video, I can tell. So just like the first one, it comes with a concept poster which is very nice. I mean, just look at them, how could you not love this? Sometimes I wonder how I survive these kinds of coincidences. This one came with a Jin photo card, which I appreciate. And it also comes with the exact same stuff, just different photo cards. Which I don't mind, I don't really care, but I know some people will feel a little upset about it. But let's move on to the beautiful mini poster. Once again, we're going to close it so no dust gets in it. Onto the third album, which this is their food concept album. Personally, this is my favorite album, not gonna lie. Here is their poster all spread out, I mean look at them eating food. Such a beautiful thing. Once again, it came with a Jin photo card, but I'm not complaining, like I said before. Never can get too much of Jin. And you already know what it comes with, so I'm going to skip that for sake of time. Once again, onto the mini posters. Now going to close the puppy up and move on to the fourth album. Yes, we made it to the final album. Are you still with me? I hope you are. Let's open her up. Now let me tell you, when I say I was shocked by what was in this, not for the reason you're thinking, but this was one of my favorite concepts they made. They all look so good and stunning in these photos. Just look at their skin. Look at it. I got an RM photo card yet again, but at least he's cute. Once again we're going to skip all the stuff that's in it besides the posters because you already know what's in it. Cue mini poster Thank you all for watching till the end. I know it was a very long video, but I hope you enjoyed. And also sorry for the weird slow-mo at the end, lol. I'm still trying to figure out the whole editing thing. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video because it is a collab. And as always, I love you my trash babies. Have a good night or day.